have you ever taken an STD test before?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very honest of mom. Okay, do you think parents should talk to their kids about sex in the Philippines? Do you like using condoms or would you rather not use them? Ma'am, excuse me. Ay, sorry. Ma'am, pwede ka po ma-interview, ma'am? Nag-vlog kami. 5 questions man lang, ma'am. Ay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Muriel, I'm 29.
You look so young, mom. 29. I would tell you're like 19, 20, like that. Okay. So, mom, here's the very first question. Be honest. Have you ever taken an STD test before?
No, I haven't tried it.
Okay. Would you try like in the future?
Maybe. I wanted to, of course, because I want to check if, of course, if I'm healthy or if I do have that kind of disease. Yeah.
Do you feel like there are a lot of single moms in the Philippines?
Yes. Yes, I do.
What do you think is the reason there are a lot of single moms here?
Oh my God, it's really hard. Maybe I don't know. Maybe there's a lot of factors regarding solo parenting. Maybe some of them it's because they choose to be solo. I mean, maybe some of them they got pregnant too young, and then they're not really prepared for a family. So I think yeah, there's a lot of there's a lot of
Reason.
reasons. Yeah, there's a lot of reasons why there's yeah solo parent or what do you call that again?
Single moms.
Single moms out there. Yeah.
Do you think sex education should be taught in schools in the Philippines?
Yes, I agree because now since nowadays actually it's been rampant already. Actually, yeah, since as you said a while ago that there's a lot of single moms out there, and I guess it's one of the reason for lack of knowledge about sex education. So I guess it's much that's really important to teach these youngs or young childrens or maybe not young children or maybe in ano ba, college or a senior high school maybe because it's yeah
That's important.
yeah it's very important nowadays especially.
Do you think parents should talk to their kids about sex in the Philippines?
Yeah, I think because I think parents is the one actually is the one who will guide their children. So I think I mean the parents should talk to their children about sex. Yeah.
Okay, now please be honest. Do you use condoms with your partner?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very honest of mom. Okay, do you like using condoms or would you rather not use them?
I think we have to use them. Yeah, we have to use them because yeah, for protection, especially if you're not totally ready, if you're not financially ready or for to ano ba, like to create a family of your own. So I think you have to.
But if you're ready already, like you want a kid,
Yes.
definitely yes, right? You.
Yes, of course.
How about jobs? It's raining now, guys. What is your job, mom? If it's okay.
I am operation manager.
Excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Ay, be, excuse me. Be, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami, YouTube. What's your name and how old are you?
I am Rian po, 18 years old.
How are you tonight, Rian?
I feel so overwhelmed.
Feel overwhelmed. You just came from the church, right?
Yes, I have.
Well, here's the very first question, Rian, and I want you to be very honest, okay?
Okay.
Have you ever taken an STD test before?
Yes, I have.
Oh, interesting. May we know what's the reason why?
I wanted to be open to that topic because as an 18 years old, we are living in a modern world and it's not a topic that we should avoid. Something like that.
So you tried how many times before?
STD,
Yes, STD test.
only one when there's a time at the school that it was a free test, so because it's free, I took it.
Do you feel like there are a lot of single moms in the Philippines?
I do feel that there are a lot of moms in the Philippines, but single moms rather.
So, what do you think is the reason there are a lot of single moms here?
So the only reason that came to my mind is maybe because of relationship failures, maybe because of their uncompatibility of their partners, like relationship from women to men, and maybe because that's the reason po.
Compatibility.
Yeah.
Like they're not compatible.
They're not compatible emotionally and maybe sexually or something.
Do you think sex education should be taught in schools in the Philippines?
I highly agree to that idea po because this is an emerging world. This is a modern world that we are in right now and teenagers are very very prone to that topic and I strongly agree that we should be aware of it because it's not a topic that we should elude po.
How about, do you think parents should talk to their kids about sex in the Philippines?
Specifically in the house po, I do agree to that idea because my parents we openly talked about that a lot, as in a lot, because they want us to be open the world. They don't want us to know that specific thing oh my god, Tagalog. They don't want us to know that outside. They want us to know that inside pa lang in the house, we are already aware about the consequences, about how to do it, like things like that po.
How about you personally? Do you see yourself in the future teaching your kids about sex?
Yes, of course, I am. I am because I want them to know that specific thing like biologically, scientifically, everything and I don't want them to learn it in the hard way.
I like that one. Learn it from the hard way. Okay, now please be honest. Do you use condoms with your partner?
Actually po, I don't have a partner and I haven't tried that po yet. I haven't tried that thing yet.
Okay. Okay, you haven't tried. But are you planning to use condoms in the future with your partner?
Of course, that's for safety po, pero I think I'll just use that to my husband po because very po kasi ako very what do you call that thing?
Religious?
Religious. You can say that po and committed.
Committed to?
Committed to someone po that I want to be for the rest of my life.
You mentioned earlier that you are religious kind of, right? Like, okay, what is your religion, be?
So I am an Iglesia ni Cristo po.
No boyfriend since birth. Is still studying in college?
Yes po, I'm still studying at Biscas.
Okay, may we know what's your course?
I am a first year electrical engineering po.
Interesting. Electrical engineering. Something that most boys would, take, not like women or. Wow. Ben, is it okay to interview you for our members video?
Yes, it's okay po.
Okay, so we will interview her after this, guys. So, see you on the members video. Be, excuse me, sir. Pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, okay lang. 5 questions man lang. Okay lang. Opinion man lang. Wala man na right or wrong answer. What is your name and age?
I'm Erica, 22 years old.
How are you tonight, Erica?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good to know. So here's the first question. Be honest. Have you ever taken an STD test before?
No po. No.
Would you do it in the future?
Yes, sure.
Now, do you think sex education should be taught in schools in the Philippines?
For me, yes. It is really important. For me, it is really important in to have an sex education, especially in our Philippine education.
Do you think parents should talk to their kids about sex in the Philippines?
Yes, for me, because as uh because as I see now that in our situation in the Philippines, that there's a lot of teenage pregnancy that is happening now. It is rapidly increasing. So it is really important for me to also parents that they talk about sex.
How about you in the future if you become a parent? Would you teach your kid about sex?
Yes, yes. I really want to teach my future kids to be what do you call it? To be aware for the right or right what do you call it? To right thing to do in a near future or their future fam- for their future
For their future
yeah,
when it
future.
comes to talking about
Yes,
sex.
yes. Okay.
Well, I really appreciate you're really trying, right? She's really trying her best, guys. Okay, for the last question, please be very honest. Do you use condoms with your partner?
I don't have a partner po.
You're 22 years old.
Yes.
No boyfriend since birth.
Yes.
Wow.
No, it's not no boyfriend since birth, but currently I don't have a partner.
You had partner before.
Yes.
Okay, but you never use condoms or
No, no, no. We don't do that thing po. Yes, yes. We don't do that.
so you're waiting for marriage, right? Before you do that thing.
Yes, yes. I believe in that sayings.
Okay, 22 years old. I see. How long have you been single, Be?
I think 6 months or 7.
What are you studying, Be?
I'm tourism.
Tourism. What year are you now?
I'm third year.
Third year. One more year and you will graduate. Congratulations in advance. Okay. I really appreciate it. She's really trying her best. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I scratched her. Sorry, sorry. She's very kind, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. You're welcome. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection